Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details of this retro wireless keyboard with round keycaps, remember that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. This keyboard and mouse combo is designed for those who appreciate both style and functionality, featuring a full-size layout with charming round keycaps and a vibrant pink colorful aesthetic that adds a playful yet elegant touch to any workspace. The setup is incredibly straightforward thanks to the 2.4 GHz wireless connection. A single USB receiver connects both the keyboard and mouse, allowing for a clean, wire-free desk. This plug-and-play design requires no additional software, making it compatible with computers, desktops, and laptops right out of the box. The wireless range extends up to 33 feet, 10 meters, offering reliable performance without any noticeable delays or dropouts, which is excellent for both work and casual use. One standout feature is the power-saving mode. After 10 minutes of inactivity, the combo automatically goes to sleep to conserve battery life. The keyboard runs on 2 AAA batteries, while the mouse uses one AA battery, which should provide long-lasting use before needing replacements. The mouse itself is whisper quiet, perfect for environments where noise can be distracting. It also offers adjustable DPI settings, 800, 1200, 1600, allowing users to tailor cursor sensitivity to their preferences, whether for precise tasks or faster navigation. Pros of this set include the stylish retro design with round keycaps that not only looks great, but also offers a comfortable typing experience. The single USB receiver for both devices minimizes clutter, and the silent mouse clicks are a big plus for quiet settings. Additionally, the power-saving feature extends battery life, reducing the hassle of frequent changes. On the downside, the keyboard requires 2 AAA batteries and the mouse one AA battery, which might be a minor inconvenience for those looking for rechargeable options. Also, while the 2.4 GHz connection is stable, it may occasionally face interference in environments crowded with wireless devices. Overall, this retro wireless keyboard and mouse combo is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to blend aesthetics with practicality. Don't forget, the link to get this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Make sure to grab yours while the offer lasts.